Díobh leis an fiseán Gaeilge inniu ba sibh ag déanamh an píosa seo cuireadh sibh na bríomhara seo sa bharnaí san aimsir áiseanach. You'll be putting these verbs in the gaps in the future tense. Okay, it's a difficult exercise. I'm going to explain it in detail and I'm going to explain it all in English as well. All right. Before we discuss this here, I want to revise the future tense in Irish. We're going to have a look at verbs that have one syllable and two syllables and the different endings that you have to apply to those verbs. Firstly, verbs with one syllable. If the root final vowel is slender, add an I or an E. You're going to see this term a lot, root, and I'm going to mention it on a number of occasions. The root is, in English, the equivalent of to. So, quer, to put, ri, to run, I, to eat, canny, to buy. They're two words, all right? We have to look for the final vowel in the root, okay? And as you can see here, quer, the final vowel is I. If the final vowel is slender, if it's I or E, we add F-I-D-H. As you can see here, we've quer plus fi, so quer fi may, I will put. Now on to verbs that have a final vowel that's broad, so A, O, or U. In this case, we've tog, to take. Tog is the root, and the final vowel is O, so we have to add F-A-I-D-H to that. And we have togfi, togfi sheed, in this case, they will take. That covers verbs that have one syllable. We're now going to discuss verbs that have two syllables. Before we move on to that, okay, what is a syllable? A syllable is just a beat in a word, right? So as you can see here, quer, if I tap that out, quer, it's one syllable, okay? There's no break in the word whatsoever for the pronunciation. Let's have a look at verbs that have two syllables. And as you can see here, I have canny. Why is that two syllables? Because if you listen to the way that verb is pronounced, you have can-e. All right. For verbs with two syllables, as it says here, you have to take away the second syllable. All right. So for canny, it's can-e. So the second syllable is this part, the e part. You have to take that away. Okay. You then look to the final vowel in what's left of the word, okay, in the root. And the final vowel here for C-E-A-N-N is A. Okay, if the final vowel is A, O, or U, you add O for the I-D-H. That gives us cianoi. So I will buy, cianoi may. Now remember, we're talking now about verbs that have two syllables. Let's have a look at the final example. We have bolly, to collect. Bolly has two syllables, bol-e. We have to take away the second syllable, and that leaves us with a root, which is bol. Okay. We go to the final vowel here, and that's I. And I have that highlighted here actually in red. And if the final vowel is I or E in a two-syllable verb, we add E-O-I-D-H. As you can see here, that gives us bollowy. So bollowy to you will collect. For this exercise, and this is what makes it tricky, you have to select the correct verb and then put that verb into the future tense. All right. Let's have a look at a few of these verbs here. Let's convert some of these verbs into the future tense, and then I'm going to translate this piece here to make it easier for you tomorrow. So I think I have that done here up at the top. I think the first, yeah, as you can see here, the first verb is glon. All right, let's convert that into future tense. Well, it's one syllable, isn't it? Glon. And let's look at the last vowel. That's A. So one syllable, last vowel is A. All right. That means the ending is going to be F-A-I-D-H. So in the future tense, we have glomfi. As it says here, glomfi too, you will clean. All right. Let's have a look at another verb. Yeah, we have quer. We've done that already here. It's one syllable, Last vowel is I, therefore our ending is F-I-D-H. Let's have a look at one or two more verbs that have two syllables. Okay, and I've taken these from here. Yeah, we've tussie and irie. Okay, tussie is the root, remember, and it's the verb to start. All right, we have to get rid of the second syllable. So think about tus-e. So the second syllable is the E. All right, so we get rid of that, and we look to the last vowel, which is O. If the last vowel, I'm going to post this document tomorrow to help you, is A, O, or U, we add O for the IDH. That's for two syllable words. Right? So that gives us tussoe. And I have here tussoe, she will start. Final example, irie, the verb to rise or to get up. Again, two syllables, I-re. Okay, we get rid of the IGH and we look to, again, the last vowel in the first syllable. That's an I. If it's an I or an E, we're going to add E-O-I-D-H. That gives us iroe. And I have iroe too. You will get up. Now let's discuss this piece. So I'm going to read it. I'm going to translate some of the words. And I'll put a document on Padlet today that'll have some of these words translated. I'll put that at the bottom of this here just to help you. So something may erachuk the clog at 8 o'clock. Deuce, to begin with. May la mom timpel onchi, with mam timpel onchi around the house. May michiomra cuddleto eske. May na hedi salaka, my dirty clothes, August. May eid salvashin niachan, washing machine. Anshin, then may la kiol fa or no do, something to music for an hour or two. Taresh lone, after lunch. May sagarjin la hushin, so in the garden with hushin. Malvin on the lagajas, if there's a good day. On Thranona shin, that evening. May lechoga agus kupla tilena eralina, the leggings and a couple of t-shirts on the line. Ta edi nua comportica I have some new comfortable clothes. May movie marathon Aaron Telefish, Era shock the clog, may air le Sean agus Oshin. So I'll do it with Sean and Oshin. All right. So as I said earlier, select the verb, put it in the future tense, and decide where it goes. I think that's all for Irish for the time being.